Rolling action.
Welcome, I am Mrs. Green and I'll be your instructor.
It's nice to meet you, Mrs. Green.
Okay, when you're ready.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just really nervous.
Relax, just think about little bunnies hopping along. What's the matter?
I hate bunnies, evil little creatures.
Well, just breathe and we'll just drive forward when you're ready. Forward, not back.
Sorry, I'll do it again.
It's okay, just drive slowly. Well done, you're doing good so far. Never let go of the wheel.
Sorry, I knew that.
It's okay, just there are some red lights coming up, so just slowly make a stop.
What lights?
And the one's just up ahead.
Are you sure they're red?
Yes, are you colorblind?
How did you know?
Please stop.
Which one's the brakes?
Okay, maybe you just need to take a few more lessons before you actually take the test.
I thought this was my lesson.
Wait, so you've never had a single lesson?
Can you tell?
Maybe you just need to actually have some lessons before you take the test, or better yet, never drive again.
But I passed, right?